Balik po tayo dito sa San Juan Arena. Tingnan natin yung tawag kanina. Puntos na napunta sa UST. Net block.
Net block. Mukhang net block naman.
Sharp eyes.
Good call.
Good non-call.
Oh.
No?
That's right.
Outside lang, outside. So, good non-use of a challenge by Coach Francis.
Hindi na sayang.
Hindi na sayang.
Meron pa.
1% lamang. Baka kailanganin sa dulo eh.
Normally, you would see the coaches talaga hesitating to go to the challenge right away.
Sa tennis nga, tatlo eh.
Oo.
Hirap, ano pa sila eh. Hirap pa sila eh.
Grabe no, si Federer and si Nadal are the
Yes.
best challengers. Parang more often than not, tama sila eh. Pero years of playing na yan.
It's really unfair. Ganun ka na kagaling.
Diba?
Tama pa rin. Tama ka pa. 9 serving 5. Yes. Sorry.
No, galing lang. Galing. Because imagine it's on the other side of the court. And the tennis court is quite long. Medyo mahaba yan.
Yep.
And pag doon mo nakikita, parang ibang klase.
Yep. Pablo adjusting again. Myra Pablo's having a great day here today.
And making the right decision on that last play. Nakita niya sila ni, okay, I will just take advantage of this one and go for a swipe.
And the left hand pa. Again, you just love seeing players develop. Chance ball for NU. Wide.
Oh, not a solid hit coming from Din Santiago.
Wrong mechanics on the hit.
Sort of chopped the
Correct,
ball.
Pagka-cut shot. Uy! Rotation error ba? Looks like a rotation error. So the point will go to National U.
Oh, wrong server.
Oh.
Okay, so rotational error from UST. Ito na yung sinasabi ni Coach OG. Parang blanco. Diba?
Yeah, because
You're not
that's
focused.
lack of focus. Pag ganun. And a roof by Dadang and Perez.
Totally denied to Judy Vallejo that last play. Take a look at it.
Ganda ng block.
Abang dun sa, nakita nila si Judy wasn't in the right position when she went for the jump. So alam na nila yung angle eh, nabasa na maigi.
Oh! Again, for the second time. Napadasal si Urdas. Ay ko. Wala ka na magagawa talaga. Pag may halong malas, may malas din.
At pag may halong swerte, hindi mo rin mahirap pigilin.
Now, there's a lot of talk about Claudia Cortez, Mosey, na ito pumasok dito for UST for the first time here in this match. Caballero. Medyo may galit yun, ha?
Oo. With a bit of a stare down after that hit.
May galit, eh. And Cortez will do the honors from the service line. 10 serving 9. UST had a 4-point lead earlier.
Yan, very young Cortez.
Oh,
Sabi ko nga sa'yo kanina, when I first saw her, blank, yan ang blank.
Okay.
Talagang tinuruan halos from scratch. And can't believe she's here playing.
Kaya pala pinag-uusapan. Yun pala yun, ano?
So, parang nung nakita siya, tangkad ah. Tara, turuan natin.
Galing, ano? UST obviously very well known for their volleyball program. Even in high school.
Yes.
Especially actually high school, no? They develop from the high school department. As Dadang gets it in. Tabla tayo, 10 all. Chance ball, pero...
Once again, Judy Caballero, she really has to set the tone, the pace. Lalo na ngayon, diba? The third set. Which, if they lose, NU, imagine NU getting it in 3.
11 serving 10. Pablo this time. Oh, nakuha ni Pam Lastimosa.
Pam Lastimosa with hang time gets to that ball just in time and gets it back to NU.
That was Perez's error though, setting error, no? Hinabol ni Pablo. Reyes, the libero, setting it. Lantin, back set. Oh, nice block by Santiago and Pablo.
You could see it was defensive blocking for Dindin Santiago. Nakita ko she swiped the ball when she held that from the block. And getting the point instantly.
Again, for those new to volleyball, that's not... Yung blocking is an art. It's a skill. There are...
Timing, ang daming... kala nyo, ang dali lang
Oh.
yan eh. It's reading your opponent, reading the body of your opponent.
Angulohan mo rin yung bola.
It's harder than...
Then it looks on
Then it
TV,
looks,
especially
right.
if you're a first-time watcher. Myla Pablos played splendid for National U. National U looks a little confident here. Oh, nice one from Lastimosa through the block.
That's right, with the power, Lastimosa gets that last point.
Taking on the same nature as the second set. 1 point, 1 point. 13 serving 12. Misreceived. Chance ball for UST. Reyes is there. Pretty solid as usual. Santiago finding a spot.
Right, Dindin Santiago off a running hit. Was playing full of confidence as we take a look at it once again. Perfect timing. Ito yung hindi ma-execute dun sa kabila.
Si
Kay
Micah.
Ortiz.
Yes, you're right. It's a great point. Di pa natin nakikita yung perfect running set ni Lantin kay Ortiz.
But Perez hits it into the net.
To give UST a point again. Cortez marches back in for UST. She looks so young. She looks so young.
Naming, yung face
Yes.
niya, what am I doing here?
Yes.
Let's see. Minsan, ang sarap turuan ng from scratch
I'm
because
sure.
wala pang bad habits.
I'm sure.
And, Aruba na Tigla with Dindin Santiago in front.
Oh, and Kai de Pomoceno for support. Face the wall. Melatunay back. 14 all. Dindin goes to the back line now for National U. Chance for UST here. Make some inroads on a comeback. Her younger sister will play next year. Even taller,
Who
diba?
stands around 6'4"?
Taller than
Yes,
Dindin.
you heard me right, 6'4".
Dindin from the back row. That's legal, again, for people who are watching volleyball for the first time. Perez recovers.
Oh,
And he touched the net.
Try that now with a net violation. Although credit Perez, ang bilis ng transition na yun, and yet she was able to set it to the middle hitter.
She's stretching her right leg, though. Kanina, after serving earlier, parang napansin ko, pinapagpag niya. Now she's stretching it back.
Oh, nice serve from Lastimosa.
Which gives him a 2-point lead. Heading into a technical timeout. KitKat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a KitKat.